Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. This video is double integration part 4 and here we will solve the following question. Now here R and S, they are non-overlapping regions. So they are non-overlapping regions, like, so if this is R and this is S, so they are not overlapping each other, and we know the value of following double integrals, that is double integral over region R f of x y dA, this is equals to 2, double integration over region S f of x y dA is equals to 6, double integration over R g of x y dA, it is equals to 3, and double integration over S g of x y dA, this is equals to 7. So we have to evaluate this integral. Now from the question we can write this as equals to double integration R into 10 f of xy plus 20 g of xy into dA plus double integral S again 10 f of xy plus 20 g of xy dA. Now we can write it because we know that R and S are non-overlapping. Then by using the formula, that is double integration R union S f of x y dA, this is equals to double integration R f of x y dA plus double integration over region S f of x comma y dA. So using this property we can write our question, from a question as this. Now we will write it as double integration over R 10 f of x comma y dA plus double integration over again R 20 g of x y dA plus, now we will divide this next one also, so double integration x s 10 f of xy dA plus double integration over S 20 g of xy dA. Now we can write it because of the property of double integration R of f sum of f of xy plus g of xy dA, this is equals to integration over region R f of xy dA plus again double integration over region R, double integration over region R g of xy into dA, that is the double integration of sum of two functions is equals to double integration of one function plus double integration of the next function. Now we can, from this is equals to 10 into double integration R f of xy dA plus 20 into double integration R g of xy dA plus again 10 into double integration of now region is S f of xy dA plus 20 into double integration region is S g of xy dA, because we know that double integration over region R k into f of xy dA, this is equals to k into double integration over region R f of xy dA, where this k, it is a constant. Now we already know the values of these integral from our question, so if we put these values, we would get this is equals to 10 into, now double integration f of xy, from the question we get, that is from these values over here, if we substitute these values in our equation, we will get our answer. So the value of double integration over region R f of xy dA, this is equals to 2. So 10 into 2 plus 20 into double integration over Rg of xy into a, this is equals to 3. So 20 into 3 plus again 10 into this double integration over region S f of xy dA, this is equals to 6. So 10 into 6 plus 20 into the last one is equals to 7. So from here we get 10 into 6 plus 2, which is equals to 8, plus 20 into 3 plus 7, which is equals to 10. So this is equals to 80 plus 200, which is equals to 280. So here from the question, with the evaluation of this integration of this integral is equals to 280. This is our answer. Next, let us solve the following double integral. Here we have integration y goes from 7 to 10, x goes from 11 to 14, x square plus 4y dy dx. Now this would be equals to, now first we would solve this part of the integration. So we would have integration x goes from 11 to 14. Now if we integrate it with respect to y, so we will have x square y plus 2y square. So x square y plus 2y square, and the value of y goes from 7 to 10 dx. Then this is equals to integration x goes from 11 to 14. Now putting the value of y, so we get x square 10 minus 7 plus 2 into 10 square minus 7 square. 10 square minus 7 square, this into dx. So this is equals to integration x is equals to 11 to 14. Now 3x square plus 2 into 17 into 3. So this is equals to 2 into 17 into 3, or 17 into 6 is equals to 102. So we get this as integration x is equals to 11 to 14 3x square plus 102 into dx. Now this is equals to, again now we will solve this integration with respect to x, and we will get x cube plus 102x. This will go from x from 14 to 11, so this is equals to 14 cube minus 11 cube plus 102 into 14 minus 11. So this is equals to 2744 minus 1331 plus 102 into 3, which is equals to 306. So this is equals to 3050 minus 1331, which is equals to 1719. So the answer is equals to 1719.